ready. Let's go take a long walk through Europe. This area behind the cathedral is where you will pick up your pilgrim's passport so that you can get it stamped along your journey and then get your Compostela when you get to Santiago. Here is your pilgrim's passport that you'll get at the pilgrim's office right behind the cathedral. So if you're starting in Porto, like I did, then you'll go to the cathedral, and right behind that, it costs €3 to get this. And this is going to be your proof, and you're going to want to have this stamped twice a day for the last 100 kilometers prior to getting Santiago. So for example, like right now, I'm in Tui, and I would want to make sure that going forward that it's stamped twice a day. But I did have it stamped some of the other places that I've stayed, they all have stamps. And so it's kind of like a memory book when you're done with of where you stayed or where you might have had dinner and the date that you stayed. And it's plenty large enough so that when you get to Santiago and you go to the pilgrim's office to get your Compostela, you will show this to them, and this is your proof that you actually walked the last 100 kilometers. It's just crazy right now. I'm walking down like flights and flights of stairs. These buildings are like 1897 was one of the buildings I saw in. I mean, and these are just neighborhoods, and this is just people's backyards. To me, it's just amazing, but to them, it's just home. Thought I'd take a video of my room for the night while there's nobody in here. I'm in bunk number 1. So I have power and a light. I even have a portal window. Curtain. This is nice. Very nice. And then locked cabinet underneath with a combo. It's the entranceway to the upstairs where my room is. It's a common area. Check-in. Breakfast eating area. Kitchen.